To edit a slow motion video on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first we're gonna open the Photos app. Now in the Photos, we're gonna open our slow motion video, and we're gonna use this pen button at the bottom of the screen. We need to wait a couple of seconds to let the phone import the slow motion video to the editor. And now in here we can find, for example, this change speed option. This allows you to quickly change the speed of the whole video. You can also switch to curve if you want to apply any of these patterns. But what you can also do is you can use this timeline in here and you can split the video into several sections. So let's say I'm going to split it over here. I'm going to also split it, let's say here. And then we can tap on each of these sections that have been separated and we can change speed for all of them. So let's say over here I'm going to set it to ×2. Then we're gonna select the other part over here and we can slow it down even further. There we go. And then we can go all the way to the last part and we can make it faster again. Why not? And there we go. Now we can of course press play from the selected area and you can see if you have set it up exactly as you wish it to be slowed down. Of course, at the bottom of the screen we have additional customization options that you can go through because of course we can customize even more than that. Here at the top, we have the resolution selection and the frame rate as well, so we can increase even to 60 frames per second, so the video will be even smoother. And then you can save in the upper right corner. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.